Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the Abacus tool, the parts of the Abacus tool and how to operate the tool. Okay, so this is known as the outer frame, this is known as the middle bar, these are the rods where you can find the beads. This is the lower beads, this one is the upper beads, this is lower and this one is the upper beads. Okay, so how to hold your Abacus tool? With your left hand you have to hold your tool like this. Two fingers should be free, thumb should be at the end, down part, and little finger and ring finger should hold your tool. This is the method to holding your tool, and right hand is used to operate the beads. Okay, so this is our middle bar. On the middle bar, what you have to do is with your thumb and index finger you have to just press and move around like this. What this will do? This will move your lower beads and the upper bead away from the middle bar. Again, with your index finger and your thumb, just press it with your right hand, and from this side you have to just move around. This way all your beads move to upper bead will move to upper side and the lower bead will move to lower side. Okay, these points are known as a pointer. This middle point is known as the house pointer. Okay, we are going to start with this middle point, which is known as the house pointer. On the left side you have to place the value, and on the right side is the decimal side. On the left side you have to place the value, and on the right side is the decimal point. Okay, how it going to work? This is the house pointer from where you are going to work with. This is known as the ones place or unit place. Both are same. Ones place or unit place. On the left side, this is tens place. Again on the left side, it's a hundred place. 1,000, 10,000, and so on. Okay, again ones place, tens place, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and so on. Okay, this was the basic introduction about the tool. Now how to operate the beads. I'm holding with my left hand. With my thumb and index finger I'm going to operate it. Okay, how I'm going to operate it? This is my ones place where I'm going to work with, right? So whenever I want to move my lower bead up, I'm going to use the thumb like this, thumb like this, thumb like this. Okay, whenever I want to move it down, this is the way I have to move it down with the help of index finger. Whenever I want to move the upper bead down, this is the way I have to move it, upper bead down. If I want to remove the upper bead from this side, I have to just use my index finger and have to remove it. If I want to bring down the upper bead and up the lower bead, I can use my index finger and thumb both at a time like this. I have to just move it like this. It's known as a pinch in. It is known as a pinch in. Okay, if I want to remove it, both the beads, upper and the lower beads, then how I can do is I can just remove like this. This is known as pinch out. Okay, now if I want to add this upper bead down and this lower 3 beads up, this way I can use it as a pinch in. And if I want to remove one upper bead and one lower bead, I can do it with the help of pinch out. Pinch out. Okay. If I want to clear, I just want to move around like this. Fine. Now, this is for the ones place. And what about the tens place? For the tens place, I have to use these two fingers, my index finger and my middle finger. I can use like this and this. This one is used like this. For index finger, I'm going to use with index finger. I'm going to use for the lower beads. Okay, and for removing it, I can use the index finger. Middle finger is used for upper beads like this, and we can do it pinch in and pinch out like this. You have to just tightly hold it. Okay, then only you are able to do the sounds like this. If you want to move both the rod at one time, you can do it like this. I just used my both the hands at the same time to move the beads. Okay, now I'm removing the beads. Okay, that's all for today. We have completed our introduction part of Abacus tool.